Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to report account on Pinterest. Maybe you came across an account that violate Pinterest's community guidelines and have contents that are harmful and offensive. So today, I'm going to show you how to report account on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, search for the account that you want to report. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the screen or by browsing through your home feed. Once you have found the account, tap on their username to open their profile. In this page, tap on this three dots icon at the right side of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and here, you will now see this Report Account option. Simply tap on it. Next, you'll be asked to choose the reason why you want to report the account. Choose the option that best describes the violation of community guidelines by the account that you are reporting. For example, I will select this Policy Violating Ads option. Finally, tap on this Report button to complete and submit your report. After that, you now have successfully reported the account, and Pinterest will review your report and take appropriate action as soon as possible. Remember, it is important to report accounts that violate community guidelines to help keep Pinterest a safe and positive platform for everyone. There you go. If you wanted to know how to report account on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to report account on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.